everyone, and welcome to the fourth edition of the online music series brought to you by Dancing Damsels, bringing world music to Canada. My name is Mary Ashok, founder and managing director of the organization, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all to tonight's music show. We have a wonderful set of singers here tonight, and we are trying to bring you as many songs as possible. So, without further ado, I'm going to leave you at the able hands of our directors, Geeta Shankaran, Soni Rajan, and also the event coordinator, Sharmila Ganesh. Sharmila Ganesh is a versatile singer. You're going to see her as well tonight. So, like I said, sit back, relax, enjoy tonight's evening. I'm going to leave you with Geeta, Soni, and Sharmila. Let's welcome them.
Oh, we're all so excited and waiting for all the singers to sing.
Excellent, excellent. So, Geeta and Soni, what do we have tonight?
Oh, we have a big, fantastic program lined up. But first, we have a very special person who's going to be our chief guest today.
Uh-huh.
And I want to begin by introducing her. What do you say?
Of course, definitely. All yours, Geeta. Take it
Okay.
over, and I will be in the back end today. I'm doing a little bit of a technical. This is the first time you're using StreamYard, and therefore I'm going to be in the back, and I'm going to help our technical coordinator for tonight's evening. So I leave the program to y'all. Good luck, everyone, and let's rock.
Today's chief guest, I'm so happy. We have Sangeeta Vidwan, Mrs. Dhanadevi Mitradeva. There's so much to say about this visionary teacher and performer. Her fame across countries like India and Sri Lanka, Singapore, and of course, Canada. She's a disciple of Professor T.N. Krishnan and Professor N.S. Anantaraman. She has a master's degree in music from Music College in Chennai. She's a gold medalist who took her talents to Sri Lanka, where she served as lecturer at the Jaffna University, and then to Singapore, where she was a violin and vocal teacher at the Singapore Indian Fine Arts Society. She also performed as a super graded artist of both Sri Lanka and Singapore Broadcasting Corporation. Her name and fame as a visionary teacher and performer continues in Canada. She founded her own institution, Shruti Laya Fine Arts Academy, where she teaches violin and vocal music in the Indian classical tradition. She's also the musical consultant for the India School of Dance, Music and Theatre in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Many of your students have grown to become well recognized teachers and performers in Sri Lanka, Singapore, UK, USA, and Canada. She's performed internationally and has accompanied numerous eminent artists around the world. She has received many titles throughout her career, such as Violin Sudaroli, Laya Naya Sironmani, Laya Naya Chelvi, and Vadya Kalaivani, to name a few. And last but not least, what is very, very special for us, the DD Women Achiever Award in 2019 for her contribution in the field of performing arts. We are extremely delighted to have you today with us, and we would love to welcome you to our event.
Thank you.
Vanakkam, can you please go ahead and say a few words now?
Vanakkam. I'm so happy to be here with Mary's Dancing Damsels Association. And I know Mary has been doing wonderful work, wonderful events, such as Women's Day and then so many get-togethers. I had a lot of chances to uh, not virtually, on the virtual word comes nowadays. I have witnessed so many programs of hers. She's a wonderful director, and she's a founder and director of Dancing Damsels. And I'm so happy to be here today with the singers, wonderful singers. And she's a very enthusiastic lady. She encourages a lot of people. I have seen, because I have not met her very closely and I have not talked to her very closely, but over the phones, and I have met her one or two times. But I like her way of approaching the people, and I think the music and art is in her blood. That's what she's encouraging all the singers, and I'm so happy to be here with you all to witness your musical talents. I know all of you are very, very versatile singers. I would like to hear you are singing, and I'm so happy. Again, Mary, thank you very much for honoring me and inviting me at this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you, madam. It's our honor that you are our chief guest today.
Thank you.
I now call upon Sony to
Can you hear
introduce
me?
someone who's going to take the show through. Over to you, Sony.
Hi, Mrs. Geeta Shankaran. Thank you very much. Can you all hear me? Because there was a little bit of a digital glitch, and I think the technical boss didn't unmute my mic from their end. So sorry about not answering your question. Hello, everybody. I hope all of you, before I go into the show event items, I want to know if all of you are signing up for your vaccinations. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. All of us get it done before the summer. As always, it feels great to be part of the Dancing Damsels online music series, and it gives me great pleasure tonight to introduce our MC, Mrs. Nandini Muthukumar. Nandini is a senior analyst in construction project management at Enbridge Gas Distribution. She has a civil engineering degree from the reputed Anna University, where she graduated top of the class with a university gold medal. Yay, Nandini. She moved to Canada in 2008, and she has been a long-standing member of Dancing Damsels for over 7 years. She is a vibrant orator and has participated in numerous Dancing Damsels events. She is also a board member of Canada Tamil Changam and hosts their program on a regular basis. Mrs. Nandini Muthukumar, to you all.
Thank you, Sony. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of DD, I would like to welcome you all to another exciting episode of DD's International Online Music Series. Today, I'm truly honored and privileged to be the MC for this wonderful evening, introducing our phenomenal performers to you all. As Sony mentioned, I am associated with DD for a very long time and has performed on various stages with Mary Ashok and other wonderful dancers in the group. All these years, personally, I've seen Mary Ashok as a very supportive, very encouraging, and an enthusiastic person who urges to provide opportunities to new talents and young talents. She has inspired me personally to follow my passion, and my heartfelt thanks to her for always motivating me. I also wanted to extend my gratitude to the wonderful board members of DD who worked very hard and for their commitment to come up with such a great, excellent online music series to provide opportunity to performers to exhibit their singing talents to the online viewers. During this pandemic, we have faced so many challenges. We have faced so many changes in our lives. Not to meet our dearly ones, lovable ones, and not to perform for shows is such a hassle. It's been such a stressful time, not only for me, but for most of us. Hats off to the technology and innovation today, which has connected across from various countries together through this online media. And thanks to everyone who worked very hard for this. Music and dance is something I relied on to come out of stress, and I believe most of us would have done the same to make ourselves feel much better. Music is a universal language. Music can stimulate mind. Music can express feelings which words cannot. And today, our phenomenal performers are going to entertain us with their beautiful songs and take us into a world of mesmerizing music. Without further delay, let's get started. We have five fabulous performers today who will be performing three songs each. Firstly, I would like to welcome Mr. Prabha. Born in a family deeply interested in music, Prabha had been initiated into music right from infancy. He had developed an intense passion for music that enabled him to pursue his singing talent ever since by participating in local concerts and competitions in Sri Lanka. After a brief stint in the UK, he moved to Canada, where he is currently working with CIBC, RBC, and now a full time realtor while continuing his musical journey. Prabha is currently one of the most sought after classical, bhajans, and Indian film music vocalists in Toronto, who has received appreciations from Indian singers and musicians for having his ability to be singing in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, and Malayalam with so much easiness. He is much adored by his fans for the unique texture of his voice. Personally, I have seen Prabha performing for various functions and I adore his music to the most. While continuing to sing for leading musical bands in Toronto, Prabha also works with young composers to produce quality music tracks and jingles. Prabha has worked with most of the existing male and Indian female singers in the industry. He has performed with most of the bands and he has performed across various countries.
அந்த பாடல் வந்து எப்பவுமே பிடிச்ச ஒரு பாடல்.
Okay.
நானும் ஸ்டீவும் பிரவீன் சாய்வி ஃப்ரம் சிங்கப்பூர்
Uh-huh.
நாங்க 3 பேருமா சேர்ந்து வந்து ஒரு மேஷப் பண்ணி பிளான் பண்ணி கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 13-14 பாட்டை வந்து ஒரு இதுக்குள்ள கொண்டு வந்திருக்கோம்.
Okay.
வழக்கமா நாங்க 3 பேரும் பாடுவோம் எங்கேயாவது ஸ்டேஜுக்கு போனா, பட் ஒரு கன்னி முயற்சி இதுல வந்து நான் தனியா பாட போறேன்.
Okay, nice.
Hopefully நான் என்ஜாய் பண்ற மாதிரி கேட்கறாங்களும் என்ஜாய் பண்ணணும்.
I'm sure we'll definitely enjoy the song Prabha, and old is gold. So
definitely. ஆமா, இதுல நிறைய இருக்கு, பட் ஓல்ட்ல தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணோம்.
of course.
Okay.
All the best.
Let's do it.
பாட்டு பாடவா, பாட்டு பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா, பால் நிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா, நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா. பாட்டு பாடவா, பாட்டு பேசவா, பாடம் சொல்லவா, பறந்து செல்லவா, பால் நிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா, நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா. அடைமழை வரும் அதில் நனைவோமே, குளிர்காய்ச்சலோடு ஸ்நேகம், ஒரு போர்வைக்குள் இரு தூக்கம், குழு குழு பொய்கள் சொல்லி என்னை வெல்வாய், அது தெரிந்தும் கூட அன்னை மனமதையேதான் எதிர்பார்க்கும். அன்பே உன் புன்னகையெல்லாம் அடி நெஞ்சில் சேமித்தேன், கண்ணே உன் புன்னகையெல்லாம் கண்ணீராய் உருகியதே, வெள்ளை சிரிப்புகள் உன் தவறா, அது கொள்ளை போனது என் தவறா, பிரிந்து சென்றது உன் தவறா, நான் புரிந்து கொண்டது என் தவறா, ஜனனம் மரணம் அறியா வண்ணம் நாடும் மழை துளியாவே, இனி நானும் நான் இல்லை, இயல்பாக ஏன் இல்லை, சொல்லடி சொல்லடி, முன் போல நான் இல்லை, முகம் கூட எனதில்லை, ஏனடி ஏனடி. காதலின் அவஸ்தை எதிரிக்கும் வேண்டாம், நரக சுகமல்லவா, நெருப்பை விழுங்கி விட்டேன், ஓ அமிலம் அருந்தி விட்டேன், நோயாய் நெஞ்சில் நீ நுழைந்தாய், மருந்தை ஏனடி தர மறந்தாய், பூவும் வீழ்ந்து போனது, காம்பு என்ன வாழ்வது, காதல் என்னை கேள்வி கேட்குது, கேள்வி இன்று கேலியாகி போனது. பாட்டு பாடவா பார்த்து பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பால் நிலாவை போல வந்த பாவை அல்லவா நானும் பாதை தேடி ஓடி வந்த காளை அல்லவா பாட்டு பாடவா பார்த்து பேசவா பாடம் சொல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா பறந்து செல்லவா.
Thank you, Prabha. That was an amazing performance. What a mashup. Thanks for the wonderful songs.
Thank you.
Next, we have a wonderful performer of the day, Nandita. Nandita has been in North America for the past 10 years and has sung for quite a few bands in Toronto and sings for karaoke's as well. She has an Indian classical background and enjoys performing for live shows. She also lends her voice for musical recordings. Performing in front of her beloved Isainani Ilayaraja sir and P. Sushila Amma was her dream come true moment. And please join me in welcoming Nandita to perform for us today. Nandita, it's all yours.
Thank you so much, Nandini, for that wonderful introduction. Hi, Mary. Thank you so much for having me here, and it's a pleasure always, right? Music, as you say, music like really elevates your, it removes your tension and it makes you happy always. And I'm glad that I'm here today. And today I'm going to present to you a beautiful song. It's a Rajasthani folk tune called Nimbuda 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 and Kacha Kacha. So basically it is, you're talking about a raw lemon and how it's used, right, especially in the Hindu culture. And it's from the movie Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Who doesn't remember that movie? It was such a big hit, especially with Aishwarya Rai and Salman Khan, the hot couple in those days. And the singer is Kavita Krishnamurthy and beautiful music by Ismail Darbari. So I hope you enjoy this song. It's a little upbeat song. And yeah, so I'll start off now.
निबुड़ा 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 अरे कच्चा कच्चा छोटा छोटा निबुड़ा लाई दो निबुड़ा 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 अरे कच्चा कच्चा छोटा छोटा निबुड़ा लाई दो अरे लाई दो लाई दो लाई दो अरे लाई दो लाई दो लाई दो नींबू लाई दो जा खेत से हरियाला नींबूड़ा लाई दो निबुड़ा निबुड़ा निबु निबुड़ा निबुड़ा निबु निबुड़ा 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 अरे कच्चा कच्चा छोटा छोटा निबुड़ा लाई दो जा खेत से हरियाला नींबूड़ा लाई दो नींबू लाई दो नजर से बचना हो तो सुन लो, दीवानों की बुरी नजर से बचना हो तो सुन लो। अरे खट्टो खट्टो नींबू तेज छुरी से सर पे काटो, फिर छोटा छोटा नींबूड़ा क्या जादू करेगा देखो, कि बुरी नजर वो खट्टी होएगी, फिर चौरस्ते पे वो उतर गिरेगी। जा 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 खेत से हरियाला नींबूड़ा लाई दो, नींबूड़ा नींबूड़ा नींबू नींबूड़ा नींबूड़ा नींबू नींबूड़ा 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 नींबूड़ा। अरे कच्चा कच्चा छोटा छोटा नींबूड़ा लाई दो, आ नींबू लाई 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 दो। लेकिन चाहत में सजना सजनी को लगती है एक दूजे की नजर, तब उनमें अक्सर होती है मीठी तकरार, नींबूड़ा बोले है यही प्यार। मेरी सोनी सहेलियों जाके जरा लाई दो छोटा नींबूड़ा, नींबूड़ा 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 नींबूड़ा। अरे कच्चा कच्चा छोटा छोटा नींबूड़ा लाई दो, हाँ नींबू लाई 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 दो। नींबूड़ा 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 नींबूड़ा। नींबू लाई 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 दो। Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, Nandita. You have such a cute, high-pitched voice, and to watch you singing is so delightful. You have that cute expressions. You enjoy the song. Are you a dancer by any chance?
No, I did learn dance, but no, but I went into too much into music, I guess.
You know, you take your mind, heart, soul into the music, and you are thoroughly enjoying the music. Watching you is so delightful.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm
Thanks
glad
for
you
this
guys
wonderful
enjoyed. Thank
performance.
you. Yeah.
We have Malavika Srijit, the youngest talent for today. She is a 7th grade student and she loves to draw, sing, and act. She has been studying Carnatic music for the last 4 years. Not only she performs Carnatic, she also performs musical Western music as well. Apart from music, she is also learning Taekwondo for the past 6 years. And last year, she also got her black belt. I'm truly, truly honored and happy to have you on stage, Malavika. The stage is all yours.
Good evening, everybody. I'm just really happy to be here and happy to perform for you. And this song I'm going to sing now is called Chinna Chinna Aase. Chinna chinna aase, siragadike maase, muttu mutta aase, mudindada taase, vennilava totta, muttamida aase, ennendu bhoomi, sutri varu aase. Chinna chinna aase, siragadike maase, muttu mutta aase, முடிந்தது தாசை வெண்ணிலவு தொட்ட முத்தமிழ் ஆசை என்னை இந்த பூமி சுற்றி வர ஆசை சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை. மல்லிகை பூவாய் மாறிவிட ஆசை தென்றலை கண்டு மாலையிட ஆசை மேகங்களை எல்லாம் தொட்டுவிட ஆசை சோகங்களை எல்லாம் விட்டுவிட ஆசை காட்புகளில் உலகை கட்டிவிட ஆசை சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை முத்து முத்தாசை முடிந்தது தாசை வெண்ணிலவு தொட்ட முத்தமிட ஆசை என்னை இந்த பூமி சுற்றி வர ஆசை சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை முத்து முத்தாசை முடிந்தது தாசை. சேற்று வயலாடி நாற்று நட ஆசை மீன் பிடித்து மீண்டும் ஆற்று விட ஆசை வண்ண வேலை கொஞ்சம் உடுத்திக் கொள்ள ஆசை பனி துளிக்குள் நானும் படுத்துக் கொள்ள ஆசை சித்திரவை மேலே சேலை கட்ட ஆசை சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை முத்து முத்தாசை முடிந்தது தாசை வெண்ணிலவு தொட்டு முத்தமிழ் ஆசை என்னை இந்த பூமி சுற்றி வர ஆசை சின்ன சின்ன ஆசை சிறகடிக்கும் ஆசை முத்து முத்தாசை
Wow, that's amazing. It's so pleasing to see you singing with that cute smile. Thanks, Malavika. It's a flawless and amazing performance, and you have such a beautiful voice.
Thank you.
So, Nandini, who do we have next?
Okay, Akka, we have Swara Rao with us to perform next. She is one of our other young talents who is pursuing a Bachelor of Science degree. She began singing due to her mother's love for music, and that's why I think she named her as Swara, the musical name. And her singing journey by learning, she started her singing journey by learning Carnatic music in Bangalore at the age of 7. After coming to Canada, she still continued to perform in various occasions and sang in multiple languages as well. She also participated in few competitions and she has won the famous Panorama Idol for 2017. Congrats, Swara, for that. She likes to sing in all genre of music and enjoys singing in various languages. I'm so excited to welcome Swara onto stage. Swara, it's all yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you for having me here. I'm so excited to perform today. My first song is a Hindi song, and it's Pareshan from the movie Ishak Sade. नए नए नैना मेरे ढूंढे दर बदर क्यों तुझे नए नए मंजर ये तकते हैं इस कदर क्यों मुझे जरा जरा फूलों पे चढ़ने लगा दिल मेरा जरा जरा कांटों से लगने लगा दिल मेरा मैं परेशान 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 दिलकशी का समा मैं परेशान 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 रंजिशे है धुआं हाँ कश खा के गलियां मुड़ने लगी है मुड़ने लगी है राहों से तेरी जुड़ने लगी है जुड़ने लगी है छुपाने सारे ये मीलों के मारे से पूछे है तेरा पता जरा जरा चलने से थकने लगा दिल मेरा जरा जरा उड़ने को करने लगा दिल मेरा मैं परेशान 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 दिलकशी का समा मैं परेशान 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 ख्वाहिशों का समा बात खुद पे मरने लगी हूँ मरने लगी हूँ बेबाका है भरने लगी हूँ भरने लगी हूँ चाहत
की चीटे हैं, खारे भी मीठे हैं, मैं क्या से क्या हो गई। जरा जरा फितरत बदलने लगा दिल मेरा, जरा जरा किस्मत से लड़ने लगा दिल मेरा। ऐसी मदहोशियाँ मस्तियाँ मस्तियाँ, मैं परेशान 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 परेशान, आतिशे वो कहाँ, मैं परेशान 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 परेशान, रंजिशे है दुआ हो।
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Swara. That's such a melodious song, and your voice is as sweet as you. Thanks once again. With that being said, next we have our other performer here to perform for us. As I mentioned, Kali Selene is a Mexican musician, and she will be joining us today to perform for the traditional songs from song Haracho. Kali plays the harana, a typical instrument originating in her region, and is well known for her lyrics. She has several recordings with her band. I'm very honored to have Kali to join us today. And Kali, it's all yours.
Hi, how are you?
Kali, we are so happy and honored to have you here today to perform for the International Music. Go ahead.
Yes, tell me, sorry. De la Sierra Morena y vienen bajando un par de ojitos negros, cielito lindo de contrabando. De la Sierra Morena y vienen bajando un par de ojitos negros de contrabando. Ay, 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 bajando viene, unos ojitos negros, cielito lindo, muerto me tiene. Ay, saca tu taquito, cielito lindo, velo jalando, que si tú tienes miedo, cielito lindo, yo estoy temblando. Ojos negros y pardos, cielito lindo, son los comunes, pero los de mi agrado, cielito lindo, son los azules. Ojos negros y pardos hay, son los comunes, pero los de mi agrado, cielito lindo, son los azules. Ay, 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 buen caballero, por unos ojos negros, cielito lindo fue marinero. Ay, saca tu taquito, cielito lindo de los galantos, que si tú tienes miedo, cielito lindo, yo estoy temblando. Dicen que no me quieres, cielito lindo, porque no tengo. Ya me puedes ir dando, cielito lindo, porque yo quiero. Dice que no me quieres dar, porque no tengo. Ya me puedes ir dando, cielito lindo, para ir queriendo. Ay, sí, que yo quisiera que todas las semanas, cielito lindo, domingo fuera. Ay, dice que no se siente, ay, la despedida. Dile que te lo cuente, cielito lindo, quien se despida. Dice que no se siente hoy la despedida. Dime que te lo cuente, cielito lindo, quien se despida. Ay, 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 que yo quisiera que todas las semanas, cielito lindo, domingo fuera. Saca tu cajito, cielito lindo, que ya me voy. Pase usted buena noche, cielito lindo, mañana y hoy. Ay, le dolé, ay, le dolé, ay, le dolé. Thank you.
Thank you, Kali. That's a vibrant performance. Thank you so much. It's so amazing to listen to this world music, and thanks for bringing this to DD's online music series once again.
Hi.
Yeah,
Oh.
Prabha, I think you are performing for your own song.
Right. Yeah, this song
Okay.
is Ennudia original song composed by Sri Vijay and written by Sri Vijay as well. So, yeah, so I'm happy to perform that, and then after the song, maybe we'll talk. லட்சம் கவிகள் கேட்டாலும் உன் பேரின் அர்த்தம் இல்லையே. வானவில் வண்ணம் பார்த்தாலும் உன் கண்ணில் வண்ணம் இன்னும் கூடுமே. உயிரினுள் நின்று ஆடியதே காதல் இன்றென் கை கூடியதே. இதயம் இடம் மாறி போகிறதே காதலும் ஒரு கடல் நீர் அதில் ஒரு கரை சேர்ந்திடவே அலையென விரைந்தேன் வாயென நனைத்திட ஈரத்தில் நனைத்திட நீ அணைத்திட நான் நுரை அணிந்தேன் அடிப்பண்ணே உன்னாலே என் மேலே மின்னல் வெட்டும் உன்னானம் என் நாணம் சேர்ந்திங்கு பொருள் உலா எங்கே வினாக்களின் விடை எங்கே பூவுக்குள் வாரம் சேர்ந்ததா காதலும் என்னுள் நேர்ந்ததா பூவுக்குள் வாரம் நேர்ந்ததா காதலும் உன்னுள் நேர்ந்ததா உயிரினுள் நின்று ஆடியதே காதல் இன்றென் கை கூடியதே இதயம் இடம் மாறி போகிறதே பறந்தே மறந்தே
Your song, I felt like I'm into a different world. Thanks for this wonderful
Thank
song.
you. In the song, it's actually a collaboration in Chennai with Deepthi Suresh. It's a duet. I tried doing it alone, so I mean,
It's again a flawless performance. Like listening to it, I felt like I'm into a mesmerizing world of music. Thanks again.
okay, as long as feel that love, that's all it is. Thank you.
Thank you, Prabha.